Hi guys, Dr. Pelto here. I'm going to talk a little bit today about what you should do if you have a detached nail. That is something that I get a lot of questions about, and we're going to go over here in this episode. Well, let's look here at this nail. This is actually a nail that already has something called ONYFIX on it, but I want to talk a little bit about nail detachment. What in the world is nail detachment? Well, basically, with your nail, what can happen, and let me just kind of change the color of this so you can see it a little bit better. At the tip of the nail, a lot of times the nail becomes a little detached and there becomes white discoloration. So what people tend to do is they clean it and then it detaches more. They clean it and detaches more, clean it and detaches more. If there's no fungus in the nail, and the way you determine that is with taking a nail sample, if there's no fungus, you need that to reattach. And sometimes it has a hard time. One of the treatments is pulling off the whole nail, okay, and hoping that it reattaches. Now that can be done as long as there's not thickening of the nail bed. What happens is the nail is attached to the nail bed and that can get thickened over time. One of the other treatments can be something called ONYFIX. Now, it doesn't work all the time, but it's something that we try once in a while. Is we put this little strip here of resin on the nail, and then as it grows out, it helps with any ingrown toenails, but it helps it to reattach by stabilizing a little bit. Here's an example of ONYFIX at the tip of the toe. So as it grows out, there's the ONYFIX, and that'll help any of the ingrowing, but it'll also help that nail to reattach at times. Once again, a non or a detached can be a challenge for a lot of us, and that's why you need to have some treatment for it. And you also have to just be careful. Don't go digging underneath it, okay? Because if you go digging underneath it, that can be a problem. I'm going to put a little video underneath here on treatments for ugly and ingrown toenails that you might find helpful. Hi, I'm Dr. Don Pelto. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube page. And on this page, you're going to find a lot of resources that I've set aside for you if you are my patient or if you're here just learning about your foot condition. I'd like to give you a little tour and share a little bit about what we have to offer on this website. First, I've had it organized by my patient resources. These are resources such as our office newsletter, our webinars that we do, or different types of things I'm providing specifically to patients in the office. As you scroll down, what you'll see is a section that's called Ask Dr. Pelto. You can submit your own question and I'll answer it in one of these episodes. And then what you'll find are a list of videos based on topic under the foot problems. And at the end, what you're going to find are my books. Put a little link here on the upper right-hand corner. If you click that link, you're going to get a link to my website. And on here, you're going to find a list of my books. I want to thank you for visiting drpelto.com on my YouTube page, and I look forward to helping you or educating you with this information.